Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to unbox or unbag the Acouto camera cage, which is aluminum, and it is for the original Osmo Action. So, let's go ahead and get this thing done. It does have a little Allen wrench that comes with it. And the reason being is on the bottom here. You see two Allen wrenches. You could actually have this, switch it around so that the spikes come out this way, as you can see here, through these holes. And it even has a screw mount right here that you can put on a tripod, which is very nice. Now, the reason why I got this is because I'm actually using the original Osmo Action in multiple scenarios. However, there's a couple things that I don't like about the original plastic cage. And the big thing is, in order for you to access the ports here, like to download what's on the chip, to put it next to an audio adapter, those kind of things, you have to take off the side lid. And in doing so, now this is no longer waterproof on the side. Not good. This, if you notice, there we go, you have access, and I'll show you that once we have everything together. Now, of course, the first thing I have to do is get the original cage off. So I have to pull off the cold shoe. That was an additional adapter. Then, come on. There we go. Pull that back. Pull that down and push through. It does take some configuring, some maneuvering to get it out. And there it is. The original Osmo Action. Now, to get it into the new case, all you have to do is unscrew this. That pulls it to the side. Ta-da! And then all you have to do is pop that right in. Look at that. Easy peasy. And then we'll take this, and there's a little indentation on the bottom there. See if I can show it this way. You just kind of slide it right in. And on the top, right in here, is another area that you have to slide in. So you slide in from the bottom, then it starts to connect up here, and it slides right on in. Then that screw goes back in up here. A little bit to get it started, but once you get it started, very, very simple. Now up here, we do have a cold shoe, and if you notice on the bottom, you actually have access now to the battery, where before, on the old cage, you had no access to the battery. So you can actually make this swappable, which is also very, very nice. And now, you have access to the side to put the cover on. Takes a little bit to finagle. Now that's nice and sealed. And now, if I need access to that point, all I have to do is pop it up, Put a cable right in there. And there you go. Look at that. Now with this cage, just have to make sure everything's nice and sealed. And then we can now take this out in inclement weather, even a little bit underwater, and it should be fine. Well, I hope this helped, and as always, have a great day.